When that connection is strong, the country becomes stronger. This is why the political reform is not simply about changing laws or reform the laws. It is not only about changing procedures. Real reform is about building institutions that people can trust. It's about creating a political environment where people can participate, contribute, take part, where different views can be expressed, where disagreement can be peacefully accepted and discussed, and where dialogue can continue. From an international point of view, this is also very important. Today, the world does not judge a country only by its economy or by its geographical location. The world also looks at the strength of its institutions, the quality of its governance, and the confidence of the people have the political system.